everybody, how are you guys all doing? I hope that you guys are all doing well. My name is Tracey and I am your Pampered Chef Independent Consultant here on Tracey's Kitchen and Garden. And I am excited to tell you guys that I am bringing back the Daily 5. I've missed doing the videos, and so I am excited because today is Faith's first day back to school. She is entering 9th grade, a big high schooler now, and so because now she is back at school, I can get back into the routine of things, and that's why I am back to do the Daily 5. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed the Daily 5 back when she was in middle school and I was doing the Daily 5 at 3. So for those of you who are new and don't know what the Daily 5 is, what that is every day during the weekday I will do a 5-minute video just talking about my business or my garden or whatever it is that I wanted to talk to you guys about in a matter of 5 minutes. It's usually between usually between 5 to 10 minutes, but I try to stick with 5. And I used to do it at 3 o'clock because she would get out of school at 3:15, and so it gave me some time while I'm sitting waiting for her to get out of school to do these videos. So you will see that I will either do my Daily 5 here at home, or I will also do the Daily 5 while I'm waiting for her at school once again. So, but the time will just be different only because now sometimes I'll do them here at home, sometimes they'll be live, or sometimes they'll be pre-recorded like this one. Whatever it may be, again, I'm going to try to keep it to 5 minutes as best as I can. But I just wanted to come on here really quick and just let you guys know what to expect. If there's any certain thing that you would like me to cover during my Daily 5, whether it be some demos, or if there's anything specific that you want me to touch on or talk about, then please let me know, because then I can just add that right into my schedule of my Daily 5. So if I have something already planned for that day, I can take a look at whatever it is that you want me to talk about, and then I can kind of like mess with the schedule that I have planned for that day and see if I can fit it in or fit it in for a different day. So anyways, yeah, so I am back, Daily 5. I hope that you guys enjoyed the Daily 5s that I did before. So now that I have my new setup and I have my camera and everything is ready to go, I'm super excited to be here and do these once again. So anyways, guys, that is it for the day. I just wanted to just touch bases with you really quick. I don't want to spend too much of your time. We're only just a little over 3 minutes, so I am doing really good today, you guys. I'm sure that eventually I will make up for some time when I go over the 5 minutes some other day. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you are new to this channel here on YouTube, or you are new to my Instagram or Instagram TV or on Facebook, then please don't forget to follow or subscribe or like or whatever it is that those social media platforms have you do in order to continue following me. But anyways, guys, I will be talking to you guys very soon, actually tomorrow on Thursday. So bye, have a great day.